Gisa Tare, Losebet Tinaha, Jaida Bakiki, Miraling Merano, Judy Antolon, Juana Paula Cotanda, Binis Ann Tinaha, Amy Liba, Ninya May Ribener, Mera Flor Luzon, Jandel Tinaha, and Zinelin Secretaria. Good luck, players. Paling sa kung sa Kantumimbo. Asa kape ang Eric? Balik sa kape. For our referee for tonight. No, first 6 of your Del Carmen Este. Box number 1, wearing jersey number 2. Box number 2, wearing jersey number 15. Box number 3, wearing jersey number 5. Box number 4, wearing jersey number 10. And box number 5, wearing jersey number 8. And box number 6, wearing jersey number 7. Of your Kantumimbo, first 6, box number 1, jersey number 5. Box number 2, jersey number 14. Box number 3, jersey number 9, box number 4, jersey number 4, and box number 5, jersey number 13, box number 6, jersey number 11. Yeah. Really. Percy goes to Kantumimbo, Tinaha. Served by TL. Ribener. Attack by Tulon and score Tulon, Kantumimbo team. One serving 0 for Tinaha. We serve for TL again. Mirano and score Del Carmen Este. Serving the ball, jersey number 15. Serve for Tulon and a score again. Del Carmen Este. To serving 1-15. Serve by Tare to Ribener. And a score again for Del Carmen Este. Sitoy serving the ball. Serve for Tulon. Anggoy. Attack, short, and score. Kantumimbo. To serving 3, Mirano. Nice serve. Serve for Sitoy to Kidlat. Anggoy. Serve for Mirano. Mirano to Liba. Anggoy to Kidlat. Painit. Painit again. Nabugnaw ba? Wala. Tare.